So with the axle, it's a very different technique to what you've been taught in terms of doing your Olympic planes. Starting with the bar at the ground, you've got an over-under grip, a lot more like a deadlift. That's to allow for the fact that you've got a 50 mil bar to grip and there's no whip in it. From here, pull it up as high as you can. Generally, you're gonna have to do it as two parts, particularly as it gets heavier, which would be catch, high as you can on the chest, switch hand over, and then duck underneath it. If you can get a strong enough pull it straight to the chest, switch over, and then you're already in the right position. When it comes to the actual press, any technique you want is fine. Strict press, jerk, squat jerk, however you want to get it overhead. The thing you do have to remember though, you're going to have to press it out more than what you would with an Olympic bar because there's zero flex in it. So with an Olympic bar, where you get that bit of momentum as you're pushing it up, you can sort of catch underneath a lot easier. You're still going to make sure that you're pushing and driving through your triceps a lot more. Where you notice with any strongman program, when it comes to pressing, biggest lot of accessory work is all triceps and front delts because the bars don't help you at all. If anything, they're doing the opposite. Particularly a lot of axles in competition. These are nice because your plates are up, the plates rotate. In a lot of competitions, it's a non-rotating axle. So you're fighting against it the whole time. As you clean it, it still wants to roll backwards on you rather than the plates taking the momentum out. But yeah, once again, technique from the ground, pull up, catch it. If you can cheat a little bit by stepping out rather than stepping backwards or forwards, it always works a lot easier because then you're already in a more stable position. Reposition, catch underneath it, then press. Log is probably the